guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I will be showing you how I got these fringe bangs, okay, with the ponytail. Okay, this look was inspired by 𝕊𝕄𝕄𝔼. She has this look where she just had like a ponytail with the bangs, but I decided to do like a half up, half down with the bangs, and I'm honestly feeling it. Like, I love it. It's such a new look, and yes, I'm feeling it. And this hair from Nadula hair is just bomb. Okay, so yeah, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I got the bangs and the ponytail. Also, I will be doing a final review at the end of the video for this hair, so you don't want to miss out on that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started cutting the bangs first, but right now I'm just gonna brush the hair, make sure everything is smooth, and then I'm gonna flat iron it too, because I'm gonna have it like bone straight. So I probably just speed through me flat ironing. I'm just gonna go through it with my Baby Bliss flat iron, and I'm gonna have it on 450. Actually no, I'm gonna take it down to 410 because these things be getting so freaking hot and I don't want to burn the hair. I just burnt my fucking forehead and I know it's going to leave a mark. Okay y'all, so we done flat ironing. It's so hot, but look how straight and silky this hair gets. Like, woo. Okay, so let's get started on cutting these bangs. So I'm just gonna part out like a little section. Okay y'all, so I like parted it like this, like a round shape. And now I'm gonna cut it like side to side, because I want it to be like long on the sides. Use my razor comb for this part. So I'm just gonna cut it. So what I'm really just trying to do is like cut it at an angle so I can have that like that long piece on the side like that. So now that I have my little side pieces, I'm gonna cut the bang. Take your scissors and you wanna cut up. Still long as fuck, because I don't have a forehead. I'm going to have to cut a lot. y'all doing this, y'all will get the hair all over your face. Let me show y'all got something to dust it off. Okay, y'all, so I fixed the bangs. What do you guys think? I think I'm feeling it. Like, it's something new and fresh. Like, I haven't had bangs. Like, I had bangs before, probably like one time in my entire life. I think I'm about to try to put it in a ponytail. Okay, y'all, so that's it for the style. You can wear it like this or the other way I styled it. Both of them are so freaking cute, but I just love this one more. Jada, she had her hair like this, and I was like, oh babe, like I gotta try that. Like, that is too cute. So now I'm just gonna just give you a final review on this Nadula hair. So like I said, this hair is from Nadula Hair on Aliexpress. This is their Brazilian straight wig, 26 inches, 180% density. I had this hair in for about a month now, and it's really good. Like, I normally don't keep hair in that long, but I really wanted to test this hair out and really see how good it is, and honestly it is really good. I did bleach the knots and I plucked the frontal just a little bit, not really that much, because the frontal did come pre-plucked. The lace on the hair is very good. Like, it just blended right in with my skin. I didn't have to pin it or anything like that. And also I dyed this hair jet black. It did come into like a natural like black brown, but I went ahead and dyed the hair jet black, and it took to the color very nice. Shipping was pretty fast. I think it took like regular shipping 3 to 5 days, and it came in a DHL bag in the box. I don't have the packaging. I threw the packaging out, but I believe I did get a wig cap and lashes in the box, if I'm not mistaken. So for me to be having this hair in for a month, my frontal did not bald at all. Like, literally not at all. Okay, because I know some hair companies, when you get the hair and after you have it in for a while, like the frontal starts to bald and like lose hair, but this frontal did not. It's still pretty full. It doesn't really shed that much. It's like typical shedding. Like, I think, yeah, I just got like one strand right there running my fingers through. Now I would say the only con that I have is that if you're not constantly brushing it and stuff, it did kind of tangle up throughout the day. So I would say make sure you brush it daily, and make sure you're tying it down at night with a scarf, and or you can like braid your hair up. Just do something just so it don't tangle up, because it does tangle easily. The 13x4, but I still was able to get like a nice ponytail. Like, the ponytail doesn't look that thin. Like, sometimes people be having thin ponytails, and I hate thin ponytails, but this ponytail actually was kind of thick. Like, this hair is pretty thick. Like, you could tell because of the bang. I only used like a little bit of hair, and the bang still looks pretty thick. It holds a curl nicely. I do have a video of me curling the hair that I'll leave up here so you guys can check it out, but it did curl very, very nicely, and it had a lot of body to it, and that's very rare to find straight hair with body that curls really nice. So I really do give this hair a 10 out of 10. So for me to have it in a month, and I installed it 3 different times, this is my 3rd install, and it still looks like this, that's how you know it's quality, okay? So that's pretty much it for my final review. Of course, I will leave all the links down below if you guys want to check this hair out and purchase it. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sending me this hair. It is freaking bomb. And yeah, so that's it for the video. So I love you all as always. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments below, and if you have any questions, I always reply back to my comments. And also give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling it, if you like it, if you like this hair style, if you're feeling this look. just go ahead and thumbs this video up right now. I would very, very, very much appreciate it. So like always, I love you all, and I see you in my next video.